Good morning, everyone. It's taken me just over 24 hours to actually come to terms with my reality and to sit down and make this video because yesterday I sat for my theory exam, and thanks to the help of Mr. Ambrish and his team, I was able to pass this exam with 0 errors. I think the level of gratitude that I feel is something immeasurable at this point. Due to life, due to my work schedule, due to so many different factors, I was never able to actually attend driving school. And even as far as Mr. Ambrish is concerned, I was only able to purchase the online videos as I could never attend the classes that he held. But regardless, I used his videos, I used his quizzes, and a few days short of my exam, he rendered himself available to help me, and I passed. It's a feeling that I'm sure many of you who have been in my shoes understand, and many of you are yet to understand. You know, if you have the opportunity to take his classes, even when he scolds you, don't take those moments for granted, because when you're in that exam room, those moments will mean so much to you. Those words that he tells you to remember, those little tricks that he gives you, pay attention to them. Mr. Ambrish, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You have changed my life.